How to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on Android phone. First open settings and then click apps, and now apps again, go to Instagram, and now wait, first you need to open it, and here we'll find this one, force stop. Click on it, click force stop, and then go to storage, click clear cache, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here, go to permissions. Now enable all of those here, location and contacts and storage, and now just go to this one, data usage, and enable background data. Maybe you will find it like that, just enable it, and that's how to fix it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.